Today I'm reviewing MultiDrive Review, Free Disk Cloning, Backup, and Drive Erasing Software 2025, a free Windows tool that allows you to backup, clone, erase, and restore entire drives using either a simple graphical interface or a powerful command line option for advanced users. MultiDrive enables full disk backups in zip or raw image formats with reliable restore options, and it supports exact bit-by-bit disk cloning so you can move your operating system, applications, and data to a new drive without reinstalling Windows. Another key feature is secure drive erasing, which permanently wipes hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, and SD cards to prevent data recovery, including advanced override options like custom hex patterns. The software also supports running multiple drive tasks simultaneously, with the ability to pause and resume operations, making it practical for both casual users and professionals managing multiple drives. Users highlight that MultiDrive is genuinely free, with no ads or locked features, and has an interface that's easy for beginners, though some note the lack of advanced features like incremental backups, virtual image mounting, and its Windows-only availability. Overall, MultiDrive stands out by offering professional-grade disk cloning, backup, and secure erase capabilities at no cost, combining an easy-to-use GUI with a powerful CLI, making it a strong option for data protection and drive management on Windows.